Hi, welcome to the Wizard of Math channel with Mr. Ahmed Abdelwaris. In this video, we will learn how to find the value of sine 3x over sine x if we know cosine 3x over cosine x equal to third. But after starting to find the value, please don't forget, make a like to our video, comment in our video, share our video, subscribe in our channel to support us to solve new problems and make a new videos. Now we will start to find the value. Okay, to find the value of sine 3x over sine x, we will find the value of sine 3x over sine x minus cosine 3x over cosine x. And if we wanted to find the difference between two fractions, then we must have a common denominator. The common denominator between these two fractions equal sine x cosine x. And make a cross multiplication, then the numerator equal sine 3x cosine x minus cosine 3x sine x. Okay, now look at focus on the numerator. The numerator equals to half open the brackets sine 4x plus sine 2x minus half sine 4x minus sine 2x. Okay, all of this over sine x cosine x. Okay, look at to the numerator. We will find half sine 4x minus, then this half sine 4x minus half sine 4x, then number and its additive inverse, then equal half sine 2x minus negative half sine 2x, then equals to sine 2x over sine x cosine x equals to half sine 2x, then equal sine 2x cancelled by sine 2x equals to 1 over half, that equals to 2. Then the value of sine 3x over sine x minus cosine 3x over cosine x equals to 2. But this term equals to third. Then sine 3x over sine x equals to 2 plus third equals to 7 over 3. Now we find the value. After find the value, we can say now بس كده. Don't forget, make a like to our video to support us, and goodbye.